not written that book. Somebody else had written and reference. So anyway, that can also happen. So it's a blind procedure. The other thing that sometimes conferences say is that your own work also you should not reference. So no reference at all to yourself. So suppose you wrote earlier papers and now you are writing a next, like Girish has written the current card sort, fuzzy card sort something. Now he does one more experiment and writes another paper. Should he or should he not refer to his last paper? That becomes the question. So then that is what we are trying. So all submissions must be original and unpublished elsewhere. This is an absolute must in all places. So you can't take somebody else's picture, you can't take an iPhone picture and put there, or whatever, somebody else's pictures and put there. You have to have your own. You can take an iPhone picture if you have shot it and you are talking about phones in general or something like that, but not from the Apple website. Yeah, it could be. So some conferences have the rule that you can't even, the paper can't be under review also somewhere else. So we are a new conference, we can't afford such rules. So you could have submitted to Kai, for example, and you can submit to us. And at the end of the day, if Kai accepts, I know where you will. But Kai doesn't accept, then you are welcome. Okay. Did I say that on camera? Okay. So now for design case study. So as respect to contrast with the paper, a design case study is a description and experience of a particular design project. A design case study could represent finding from a user study, design alternatives generated during the process, the final design, the results of usability evaluation, or a combination of these. Okay, so you can pick and choose a few parts of these and describe as well. Must capture the experience from the product in such a project in such a way that it is relevant to others. So generalization is still important even in a design case study. But what is more important is that particular design project rather than something else in typically in these situations. So that experience should be useful for someone else. I mean, that's the idea of writing a paper and writing. You will peer reviewed on the basis of the quality and originality of outcomes and the experience they embody. Again, the categories could be similar, and in all other stuff I think is the same. It should be still blinded. So in our conference in particular, papers and design case studies are blind peer reviewed. Other categories are not blind peer reviewed. They are only reviewed by the co-chairs. Okay, so we have specific people, groups of 3-4 people that we have identified as the categories. So what are the other categories? So one category is industry presentations. Okay, so this is a sort of a relatively new category coming up. I saw it in Interact for the first time and I liked it really. So many people in the industry who don't have the rigor of writing a paper like what we have been describing so far. Okay, and they don't